In this video, we're going to talk about one of the most influential authors when it comes to personal development and the law of attraction, Napoleon Hill. Welcome to the Law of Attraction in Practice channel. Napoleon Hill was an American author and motivational speaker, born in 1883, best known for his books The Law of Success, 1928, and Those Who Think Grow Rich, 1937, which have sold more than 100 million copies worldwide. Hill is widely regarded as one of the pioneers of the personal development movement, having influenced many of the world's most renowned motivational authors and speakers. Hill has spent 20 years interviewing some of the world's most successful and wealthy people, including Henry Ford and Andrew Carnegie, in order to understand what drove them to success. From these interviews, Hill developed the philosophy of the law of success, which is what later became the book Think and Grow Rich. The book is a practical guide to achieving success in all areas of life, using the mind and conscience to attract positive results. One of the main theories associated with Hill is the law of attraction, which states that the thoughts and emotions that a person emits can influence the outcome of his actions and future events. Hill believed that the key to achieving success and wealth was maintaining a positive, goal-oriented attitude, which he called ultimate thinking. By applying this theory to his own life, Hill was able to achieve great financial success and became one of the wealthiest men of his day. Another important idea of Hill's is the importance of persistence. He believed that perseverance and determination are key to success, and that we must be willing to work hard and face obstacles along the way. Next, you will learn about 30 tips presented by Hill for you to succeed in your life. But, before continuing, if you are enjoying the content and want to learn more about how to apply the law of attraction in your life, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming weekly videos. Napoleon Hill offers several tips in his book Think and Grow Rich to help his readers succeed with the law of attraction. Here are some of the top tips. 1. Setting clear and specific goals. Hill emphasizes the importance of having clear and specific goals, as this helps to focus the mind and attract what is desired. 2. Believe in yourself. Hill believes that self-confidence is critical to success and to applying the law of attraction effectively. 3. Maintaining a positive mindset. Hill emphasizes the importance of maintaining a positive mindset, as the mind is drawn to what it focuses on. 4. Visualizing success. Hill recommends creating vivid mental pictures of success and what life will be like when your goals are achieved. 5. Acting towards goals. Hill believes that action is crucial to achieving goals and to attracting the opportunities that lead to success. 6. Be persistent. Hill emphasizes the importance of persistence and determination when facing obstacles or failure. 7. Stay open to new ideas. Hill recommends staying open to new ideas and learning from people who have different backgrounds. 8. Develop a success mindset. Hill believes it's important to develop a success mindset by focusing on the positive things in life and looking for opportunities instead of obstacles. 9. Surround yourself with positive people. Hill recommends surrounding yourself with positive people and avoiding those with a negative mindset. 10. Use your imagination. Hill emphasizes the importance of using your imagination and creativity to envision success and attract what you want. 11. Learning from mistakes. Hill believes that mistakes are opportunities to learn and grow, and that it's important not to give up when faced with failure. 12. Be grateful. Hill emphasizes the importance of being grateful for what you have and appreciating the finer things in life. 13. Developing a service attitude. Hill emphasizes the importance of having a service attitude towards others in helping them achieve their goals, as this helps to create positive relationships and attract success. 14. Study and acquire knowledge. Hill believes that it is important to acquire knowledge and study the areas that are important to the goals, as this helps to have more confidence and skills to apply the law of attraction. 15. Be patient and persistent. Hill emphasizes that success is not achieved overnight and that it is necessary to be patient and persistent to achieve the desired goals. 16. Learning to deal with adversity. Hill recommends learning to deal with adversity and turning them into opportunities, rather than despairing in the face of difficulties. 17. Belief in success. Hill believes that it is necessary to believe in success and the ability to achieve one's goals in order for the law of attraction to be applied effectively. 18. Set clear and specific goals. Hill believes it's important to set clear and specific goals so that the mind can focus on what it wants to attract. 19. Developing self-confidence. Hill emphasizes the importance of developing self-confidence and believing in your ability to achieve your desired goals. 20. Establish an action plan. Hill recommends establishing a concrete action plan to achieve the goals, with deadlines and specific steps to be met. 21. Take consistent action. Hill believes that it is necessary to take consistent action for the law of attraction to work effectively. 22. Controlling emotions. Hill emphasizes the importance of controlling emotions, especially fear and worry, so they don't interfere with applying the law of attraction. 23. Saying positive affirmations. Hill believes that saying positive affirmations and repeating them daily helps to create a positive mental attitude and attract the success you want. 24. Develop a support network. Hill recommends developing a support network and associating with people who have a positive mindset and who can help you achieve your desired goals. 25. Be proactive. Hill believes it is important to be proactive and take the initiative to achieve desired goals rather than waiting for things to happen by themselves. 26. Cultivating inner peace. Hill recommends cultivating inner peace and learning to deal with the stresses and strains of everyday life so that your mind can focus on what you want to attract. 27. Teamwork. Hill believes that collaborating with others is critical to success and that building positive relationships is an important part of the process. 28. Be organized. Hill emphasizes the importance of organization to success. He recommends having a clear and well-defined plan for achieving the desired goals, and organizing activities efficiently to maximize productivity. 29. Acting with integrity. Hill highlights the importance of integrity and honesty to success. He states that reputation is a valuable asset and that it is essential to act ethically and responsibly in all areas of life. 30. Be a good communicator. Hill recommends developing the ability to communicate clearly and persuasively, as this is critical to success in many areas of life. In summary, Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich is a classic book that has influenced many people to adopt the philosophy of the law of attraction and apply it in their lives. Hill's ideas about the power of thought, persistence, collaboration, and focus on goals are still relevant today. It is important to remember that applying the law of attraction requires a positive attitude, discipline, and constant effort to create the conditions for the realization of goals and dreams. The law of attraction is not a magic formula for success, but a path that can help create the conditions for achieving goals and dreams. If you liked this video and want to help others, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends and family. And if you're not subscribed to our channel yet, subscribe now and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming weekly videos. And don't forget to leave your comment below, because we'd love to hear your opinion and questions about the topic. Your participation is very important to us. Also, be sure to check out the link to our ebook in the description so you can dig even deeper. Success is within reach, and we are here to help you achieve it. Thanks for watching, and until the next video.